You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
The Lagos State Police Command has arrested Yoruba actor Olariwaju James alias Baba Ijesha. The 48-year-old actor was arrested on suspicion of defiling a 14-year-old girl over a 7-year period. Lagos police investigate popular Nollywood actor for defilement, stated Lagos State Police Public Relations Officer Olumuyiwa Adejobi in a statement.
Yíká kọ́ńtì jẹ́ tí ò láìpẹ́ obìnrin. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, ó ṣe rí nìyẹn o. Òdodo ọ̀rọ̀. Yíká kọ́ńtì. Òdodo ọ̀rọ̀. Mẹ́sàn-án òdodo ọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọbìnrin dé. Ọmọ lájẹ kan. Ọmọ lájẹ kan. Kò fẹ́ràn obìnrin. My God. Yes, hey, that's the way one people. Activists tó ń jà takuntakun fún iṣẹ́ wa yìí. Mo ń proud láti sọ fún yín pé ìṣọ̀bí ọmọ fábíyì a regret kó jẹ́ ara wa torí ó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ ó máa ń rò pé ibi tó bá lè làwọn ọmọ main thing you want to know about even Nigeria. So thank you very much. I lọ sínú lẹ́sìn a fẹ́ lọ celebrate ọmọlúwàbí. My name is James Olariwaju Omiyinka Baba Ijesha. I speak comedian on set. This is my boy ọmọ mímí get it. Ọmọ àlè everybody. Tíyá ẹ bá sì wà láyé but tíyá ẹ bá ti kú o escape. Àwa we are here to celebrate Yinka Quadri. Legend. Love you so much. Ọmọlúwàbí, the man of the president. I love it.